Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making videos on this book. The name of this book is The Laws of the Spirit World. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way, friends. Okay. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you will understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 18 video, 25th video, 86 video, there is quite possibility that you may get confused, friends. Okay. And before proceeding further, I would like to tell you, do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon, so whenever I update a new video you will get the notification, friends. Okay. And friends, you can do also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is handle is id is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. I will spell it for you, friends. Okay. ABHIMANYUBHATTACHARJEE 1906. Okay. And if you have any doubt, do ask me in the comment section because I look to the comments and I give answer to each and every comment, friends. Okay. So I will start with today's video, friends. Okay. And in our last video I've covered the topic called does the subconscious mind develop as human being grows older. Okay. And in our today's video I'm going to cover the topic called you have said that all earth soul meet their loved ones from the spirit world when they are asleep. How exactly does this happen? Okay. So and this video number is 121 video, 121st video, friends. Okay. So I will start. Okay. And the name of the topic is uh, you have said that all earth soul meet their loved ones from the spirit world when they are asleep. How exactly does this happen? Let's see what is being said by Vipsi and Ratu via Koshit Bhavnagar in this book. When you are asleep, when your sleep is deep and dreamless, your physical mind is shut down and only your subconscious mind operates. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshit Bhavnagri that when we are in deep dreamless sleep, right, that time our physical mind completely shuts down, right, and our subconscious mind only operates, only is in active position. Your soul, guided by subconscious mind, leaves your earthly body and travels to a place in between earth and the spirit world. So this is interesting. So Vipsi and Ratu is telling us via Koshit Bhavnagi that when we are in deep dreamless sleep, our physical minds completely shut down and only our subconscious mind operate. At that point of time, our soul leaves the body. Our subconscious minds give instruction to our soul to leave the body, and our soul leaves the body and goes in a middle situation, a middle then spirit world, and then the middle then earth, right, where your loved one meet you. They calm you down and guide your subconscious mind. So in that position our loved one meet us, they calm us down and they guide us, right. So they gives us answer to our question, they make us understand, they guide us, basically they give us guidance through our subconscious mind. But the moment you wake up, you forgot this because the physical mind was shut down during sleep and was not allowed to register anything. Okay, this is very interesting. So moment we wake up, so we do not remember anything because our physical mind was shut at the point of this thing was happening and the recording was shut down, right. The camera was off, the recording was off, and because of that time there is no registration which happened on a physical mind. So after we wake up, we doesn't know anything exactly what happened because at that point of time when this all thing was happening, our physical mind was completely shut down, right. Our physical mind was not in a position to listen or to see what exactly is happening, so we do not remember exactly what happened. The following is a feeling all human can identify with. Sometime when you wake up from your sleep with a sudden jolt or thud in your chest, because many a time what happen when you suddenly wake up, you feel that you are falling from somewhere, you get a sudden jolt on your chest, and you get a sudden shake from where you are falling, right. So that's the you have visited to the spirit world and you again entered your body at that point of time, right. As soon as our physical mind wakes up, our soul enters the body. This is the soul which is guided by the subconscious mind re-entering a physical body. So this is the soul who is guided by our subconscious mind for re-entering our physical body. So friends, this topic came to an end. In our today's topic, I have covered the concept called you have said that all earth soul meet their loved one from the spirit world when they are asleep. How exactly does this happen? So this was a topic which I covered in today's video, and in our next video I am going to cover the topic called does a person's subconscious mind know when he or she is going to die, right? So this is a very interesting point which I'm going to cover in the next video, friends. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot complete this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1 2 3 4, then you will understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing the video 14th video, 18th video, 25th video, there is quite possibility that you may get confused, friends. Okay. And before proceeding further, I would like to tell you, do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon so whenever I update a new video, you'll get the notification. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section or you can directly DM me, direct message to me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharya 1906. So friends, this brings ends of today's video. I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, stay happy, stay blessed, and I will be meeting you in the next video. Okay, goodbye friends.